Davina always believed confidence came naturally to other women. She was born and raised in sunny California, where the beaches were wide, the palm trees were tall, and everyone seemed to walk like they were on a runway. But Davina walked like she was negotiating a peace treaty with the ground. It all started the day she bought her first pair of high heels. They were glossy nude stilettos, standing proudly at 4 inches. In the store, she felt unstoppable. The mirror told her she looked taller, elegant, powerful. The soft music playing overhead felt like her personal soundtrack. Then she stepped outside. One step, wobble. Second step, panic. Third step, regret. A passing breeze nearly ended her career in fashion before it began. But that night, standing in front of her bedroom mirror, heels back on, Davina made a decision. If other women can do it, she said, so can I. And that, my beautiful Footwear Diaries family, is where today's journey begins. If you're a beginner, if you've ever felt like Davina, if you've ever looked at your heels and thought, these shoes are beautiful, but are they trying to destroy me? This script is for you. Let's talk about how to walk in heels like a queen, even if you're just starting out. First things first, choose the right heel. Davina's mistake wasn't buying heels, it was buying 4-inch stilettos as her first pair. Beginners, listen carefully. Start lower and thicker. A 2 to 3 inch block heel or kitten heel is your best friend. A wider heel gives more stability. It distributes weight better and reduces wobbling. You don't learn to swim in the deep end, you start in the shallow water. Next, the fit matters more than the look. Davina realized her heels were half a size too big. That tiny space caused her feet to slide forward, forcing her toes to grip for survival. That's exhausting and painful. When shopping, walk around the store. Make sure your heel doesn't slip out. Your toes shouldn't feel crushed. There should be support at the arch. If the shoe feels uncomfortable while standing still, it will feel worse after 20 minutes. Comfort is confidence. Now let's fix your posture. The biggest beginner mistake? Looking down at your feet. When Davina first practiced, she stared at the floor like it had personally offended her. The result? Rounded shoulders, stiff neck, awkward walk. Here's the secret. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, chin parallel to the ground. Imagine a string gently pulling you up from the top of your head. Good posture shifts your weight properly and makes walking smoother. Heels are not just footwear, they are posture trainers. Now let's walk. Step heel first, then toe. Repeat that